Michelle is the Salesforce admin for her team. Every day, customers email the support team requests with attachments, invoices, screenshots, signed forms, etc. Salesforce's Email to Case feature automatically creates a case record, but all those attachments stay right there in Salesforce, quietly eating up file storage. To solve this, Michelle uses ShareConnect. She is going to build two flows. The first one handles folder creation. She creates a new record-triggered flow, sets the object to case, and the trigger to a record is created. Then she adds the Automate SharePoint action. This is what connects Salesforce directly to SharePoint. After naming the action, she selects the new SharePoint folder operation. She sets the folder name dynamically using the case number field, then enables both Link Folder to Record and Set as Default Record Folder. Finally, she chooses a destination in SharePoint. This is where all the generated case folders will live. Michelle saves and activates the flow. Every new case created from an inbound email will now automatically get its own linked SharePoint folder. Flow 1 is done. Now for the second flow. This is the one that actually moves the emailed files into SharePoint. Michelle sets the object to File, and the trigger to a record is created. This means the flow fires the moment a new file lands on any record, including the ones coming in through Email to Case. She adds the Automate SharePoint action again, this time selecting the Upload to SharePoint operation. She sets the destination to Default Record Folder, so the file gets routed to the folder that was just created by the first flow. She also enables Link File to Record and Delete Salesforce File. She saves and activates. Now, every email that comes in as a case with an attachment will automatically get a SharePoint folder created and its files moved there. Let's see what this looks like in practice. Randall is on the support team. A customer just emailed in a billing dispute with a PDF invoice attached. Salesforce's Email to Case feature has already created the case record and pulled in that attachment automatically. When Randall opens the case, the attachment is right there, linked and accessible through the ShareConnect component. He doesn't need to navigate to SharePoint or track down a file. It's already in the right place. He can preview the file without ever leaving the record. The PDF is stored in SharePoint, but from Randall's perspective, it's just part of his workflow. Michelle set it up once, and her team benefits from it every day. Attachments that used to accumulate in Salesforce are now automatically moved to SharePoint, linked back to their records, and easy to find. If your team is dealing with file storage limits or struggling to keep attachments organized, ShareConnect solves the problem. Start your free 14-day trial and see how quickly you can get it running in your org.